I am an investment consultant and a financial planner. People come and visit me for various financial planning needs. One of the most common questions people ask me is suggest some investment which gives me high returns within a short span of time without compromising on the safety of my capital. Is it really possible to achieve these three objectives: high returns, short time, and safety? In this episode, I am going to discuss whether it is practically possible to achieve all the three or not. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
Who doesn't like high returns in a short span of time in a very secure way without compromising your safety of the capital? Everybody likes it. But is it practically possible to achieve this? From my experience, I can tell you it's impossible to achieve all the three things at a time. You can choose any two out of that. The moment you choose two out of these three parameters, the third parameter cannot be achieved. Let us see one by one what happens when you choose the two parameters. First, let me choose high returns in a short span of time. If you decide to get high returns in a short span of time, what happens is your safety of capital gets compromised. To get high returns, what should you do? Maybe you have to buy a lottery ticket. When you buy a lottery ticket, yes, if you get your number, you'll get a bumper prize. But chance of you not getting your number is very high, which means your capital is put into risk. You may have to invest in stock market to get a high returns. But in short span of time, stock markets can do anything for you. It may go up, it may come down. If it comes down, you are risking your capital. The third option could be that you may have to lend money for a high rate of interest to some borrower. Why somebody is borrowing at a high rate of interest? Because his ability to pay back the debt is compromised. There are not many people who are prepared to give him the loan that he is asking for. So when you give money to somebody at a high interest rate, it means that the chances of that person returning your capital is getting lesser and lesser, which means the safety of the capital is getting eroded. So the moment you choose high returns with short time, what you are compromising is the safety of the capital. Now let me look at the second combination. Now I will choose safety of capital and short time frame. When I choose safety of capital and short time, what gets compromised is the third parameter, which is the high returns. It's not possible to achieve high returns when you choose safety and short span of time. To make the money safe, where do we go and park our money? We go and park the money in a bank FD, or we may go and park the money in a government bond, or we may go and park the money in a liquid fund of a mutual fund, or we may park money in a FD which has AAA ratings. All these things which have safety built into it will give you low returns. So the moment you choose safety and short time, what gets compromised is high returns. So it's not possible to get high returns if you choose safety and short time. Now let us look at the third example. I will combine now high returns with safety. The moment you combine high returns and safety together, what gets compromised is the time interval. It is not possible to achieve high returns without compromising the safety unless you have sufficient enough time. All of us know that the stock markets or the mutual funds can give you very high returns. But in a short span of time, if you invest today, maybe next year, maybe in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, stock market could do anything. It may move up, it may come down. So in a short span of time, you cannot predict that you will get a high return. So to make it very safe, all that you need is a long period of time. So when you choose high returns along with the safety, what is required is a long period of time for it to make it to work. So, dear viewers, what do you think about the topic that I discussed with you? Do you think it is possible to achieve all the three parameters together? I would like to hear from you. Please comment below. So, dear viewers, if you think I have given you a thought-provoking video today, give me a thumbs up. If you are watching this program for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I will be back with you with one more video very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.